Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel PA Educational Hub. Today's video is very interesting. It's about toys are fun to play with. In this video you will learn about different types of toys. Some toys can be loud. This type of toys produce noise. Some toys can be quiet. They are silent. This type of toys sit quiet. Kids love to play with them with their own. Some toys are soft. Kids touch them and enjoy them. These are made of cotton and stuff. Some toys are hard. Kids play them and enjoy them. Some toys can spin. Kids love to play them because they spin and spin around. Some toys can roll. In these toys, mostly there are balls. They roll around and around. Some toys are made of wood. They are made with quite skill. Children love to play wooden toys. Some toys are made of plastic. These are plastic toys. Some toys are wind up, like this. Children love to play them. Some toys are made of metal. Some toys are tricky. They are also called puzzle games. Children love to play them. Some toys can dig. Mostly boys love to play with them. This type of toys can dig soil and ground. Some toys can make music. These are called musical toys. Some toys are plain. This is a plain toy. Some toys are colorful. They are very attractive. Children love to play with them. Some toys are for the pool. They are also called water toys. Some toys help you count. This type of toys are also called mathematical toys. They help to learn counting. Some toys help you read. These are alphabetical toys. Kids play and learn with them. These are very beneficial. Some toys are scientific. They are also called electrical toys. This is an electrical toy. It can be charged or wind up. What is your favorite toy? And what can your toy do? Describe your toy to a friend. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are new on the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.